What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. I have no idea if I'm gonna use this footage, honestly. I'm in LA. I don't know. It was very kind of like last minute spontaneous ride. Went to visit Victor, Moto Club Santa Monica. He is the only guy that I trust with my Aprilia. We just came here to ride, and now we're gonna be going to Dainese. Whoa, she feels way better now. Apparently my tire pressure was like really low. I like got on it. I haven't ridden it in a minute, the Aprilia, and I really wanted to ride it, so this was kind of like my excuse. But when I got on it, I was like, what the hell? I know, she's wearing ripped jeans too. I'm not the only one. I'm actually not this time. I haven't ridden this bike in a minute, so like, you know, I was like, let me ride it. I want to feel you know, hear it mainly because I love the way this bike sounds. It's crazy. Actually, I might add a clip of me revving this exhaust.
We need to post that one. We need to.
And also, there is a new exhaust that they make for the Aprilias. That is, it's like a, what is it called? GP22. Bro, if you have an Aprilia, please get that exhaust. I mean, I love my CRT and it's loud and everything, but that GP22 is something crazy. Like, I was standing a few feet away from it and I heard my ear. I was revving this one like right there and I heard it a little bit, but like not that bad. That exhaust is crazy. I put on the little 2 clips for you guys to hear it anyways, but it's such a crazy exhaust, so I don't know, I kind of want to get it for this bike. Couple of revs just cuz. Hopefully nobody gets mad at me. I had to for the video. Yeah, this sounds good, but I don't know, that GP22 was crazy.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I can make it fit somehow if I get it, but I really like the look of this one too. Ooh, this is cool. Alright, so it's way shorter than I expected. This is cool. We'll finish up from here, and then I will continue when we're riding somewhere else. Also, check out this new riding jacket that I got. I'm actually wearing something gear. Check them out, Dragon Riders. This is amazing. They sent it to me and they put a little K right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all reflective and all, so I really like it. Windbreaker, and I think like waterproof, all that stuff. So yeah, all right, bye, be right back.
Let's see what you do to this Gixxer 1000, because it's rare that I've ever seen one that's like really nice and
I know. We'll see. It's not a 100% sure thing. It's either that or get a ZX-10R, but because I have a Cowie, I don't know, I'm like, maybe get a Gixxer 1000.
No, I mean, well, that is a nice car too.
Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. I'm very spontaneous, so whatever, you know, I feel like whatever happens. No, I just key cycle it to for the fuel pump, so it doesn't do that thing when it didn't start.
Oh, right.
Yeah. All right, I'll follow you. Oh my God. She was just talking about how she doesn't ride with traction control. I'm like, yo, Just put it on a low setting. I have mine set 1. I'm dead. I'm glad she's good. Wildin' out here. I love that I can do this with a piece. I can close them without using my hand because it doesn't have like clicks. Cold, but I'm gladly wearing the jacket that I showed you guys because it's kind of like a windbreaker, so my torso actually doesn't feel that bad at all. But like my legs don't get cold, but I feel it. Like my ankles are icicles right now. You're welcome to everyone that is sitting in this boring traffic. You're hearing my awesome exhaust. I'm pretty sure I made some people's days better by hearing this bike. Everything about it sounds good, even when I let go of the throttle, just the way it winds down. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm really obsessed with the new GP RR. Oh. I cannot see, but it does look tight. Me and her were talking about like we met the guy that works at Dainese, super nice people over there, and he rides a Gixxer. So I was just saying that like I might be getting a Gixxer at some point too, you know, just to complete the collection. But I don't know. Would you guys want me to get a Gixxer 1000 or a ZX10? Comment down below which one you guys want to see. Whichever one has the highest vote, I'll just get that. How about that? Just to make it easy. Like the highest vote, highest likes. I can't think properly. But yeah, so comment Gixxer 1000. I'll probably get the blue one. Not blue, it's like white with like metallic blue flakes. I think that one is really cool, like just that paint scheme and all. Maybe get the Nardo gray one. I think they make a Nardo gray one. That or a ZX10, and if it's a ZX10, comment what year, new gen or old gen, and whichever one like comment got the most likes, I'll just do that. I don't know if I want to make it a track bike or something like that, but most likely that's the main reason why I want one of these, just to make them a track bike. Or do you guys want me to get another Ducati or another, let me close the visor since we're going a little bit faster, another Ducati, because you know I always say the Ducati and the H2, those are my favorite bikes. So like I don't mind getting another H2, building it, doing crazy stuff with it, or get another Ducati. Another Ducati wouldn't really make sense, but I really love enjoying that bike, and mine is just the most expensive bike I have in the collection, so I'd like a daily Ducati, you know. That would definitely be fun. Or should I do like a naked MV, or maybe even the new 1000 MV? I don't know. There's a lot of options, but none of them are like, ooh yeah, I really want this one, this is my next bike. This is never ending. I feel like I'm stuck in a matrix and I've just been going for miles. What the hell? The destination we're going to wasn't even that far. They just said it's gonna take a while because, you know, of all the traffic. Oh yep, there's an accident. It's on the other side. And I'm assuming the people in our... Oh my god, this is actually bad. The car is flipped. That's why there's traffic on our side, because people slow down and watch, even though I look too, but you know, that's an annoying thing. I feel bad for the people on the other side though. They're gonna be stuck in there forever. Hey, there's downtown LA. I love riding through downtown LA, besides the possibility of me getting robbed, but the buildings and everything is cool. Am I even still recording? I am still recording. Alright, I'll pause. I've been recording the whole time.
Oh, is it a sorority?
Yeah, I'm gonna just. Huh?
Is it a sorority house?
I have no idea.
Kind of looks like one.
I have no idea. Alright, I'll end this video here. Peace out. Ride safe. Like, subscribe. I'm dead.
We're in USC territory, so it's ghetto as fuck.
Oh my god, she's the enemy.
Enemy territory.
Yeah.
It sounds like there's a fight.
Your bike was you don't remember him telling
I
you?
forgot that he put air in it, and then
Yeah, and you don't. Your tire is like not the best.
yeah, I know.
And she goes like,
I was gonna make the yellow. Did you see? I was like, oh, I'm
yeah,
gonna
I saw.
it, and I'm used to it. And it's cold.
No, I
it's
saw.
fucking
But
slight.
that's why you need traction control.
I know. And my traction control's off. That's so weird. I really want to
Too funny.
because I want to send it to Victor and be like, turn it on traction control.
All right.
Hey, but I kept it up.
Yeah, you did good.